firstly, we're going to use the color in the middle. Apply this color for the entire eyelid. Towards the end, and then sweep the color from out corner towards the end of your eyebrow. For the lower lash line, apply the same color but extend this color further down. Just let it gently disappear. Then change to a slightly smaller brush, dip into this lovely pink petal coral color. Then apply just above the double eyelid line. So when you open your eyes, you just see the color. Then I would add a little bit more towards the out corner. Then just gently sweep the end from your out corner towards the end of your eyebrow. Same for the lower lash line. More focus the color towards the out corner. And then extend it out a little bit. Then use whatever left on the brush and gently sweep over. Then is my traditional way to finish eyeliner first, then we finish the rest of eyes. Use more pointed brush, dip into the darkest color to define the out corner. So to add the darkest color towards the out corner, just above the eyeliner, the wing. When there is nothing left on the brush, and then sweep this color gently, just follow the lash line. Same color for the lower lash line. Focus at the out corner. Drag it down a little bit. Sweep up. And then use a more flat brush just to define the lower lash line. Just to get the color closer to the lash line. And define the fake eye bag, the shadow, a little bit more. You can see this eye is more bigger, rounded compared to this one. Then dip into the lightest color. Then do a clean, just at the edges. Use your finger, dip into the shimmer color. We won't apply at the eyeball, we will only follow the double eyelid line. So gently, like that. It's just like a dust crossed over your eyelid. Then apply the same shimmer color. Use a small brush. Get it very close to your bottom lash line, just under your eyeball. You may need to do this a few times to get the level of sparkle you like. Do you like these two eye looks? Personally, I really like it. This time the Flower Nose eyeshadow palette is absolutely a thumb up. So if you are still wondering should I get one or not, highly recommend. For the price, for the packaging, for the quality, for the blendability and the pigment, this time Flower Nose ticked all the boxes. I am so well impressed by it. Which one do you prefer? Have you tried any of them? Would love to hear your feedback as well. Hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you on my next video.